With just hours to go before Donald Trump's April 2nd tariff deadline, Indian exporters are on high alert. The looming trade measures could hit key industries from electronics and pharmaceuticals to textiles and automobiles, threatening billions in trade and pushing stock markets into turmoil. If Trump's tariffs are milder than expected, Indian markets could see a rebound, particularly in export heavy sectors like pharma and IT. But if the US takes an aggressive stance, Sensex and Nifty may face deeper corrections. Ross Maxwell, Global Strategy Operations Lead at VT Markets, highlights India's vulnerability. He says, and I quote, India has historically imposed higher tariffs on US goods than vice versa. That makes it a prime target for Trump's tariff realignment. The impact could be severe across multiple sectors, shaking up trade worth billions. End quote. As India scrambles for a diplomatic resolution, some analysts warn that retaliatory measures from other nations could spiral into a full-fledged trade war. Sachin Gupta, executive director at Care Edge Ratings, says this uncertainty may freeze private sector investments until a clearer picture emerges. Electronics are India's largest export to the US, making up 14% of total exports, with mobile phones, mainly iPhones, leading the charge. If tariffs rise, Apple and other manufacturers may rethink India's role in their production strategy. The US buys nearly 30% of India's jewelry exports. If tariffs increase, buyers could shift sourcing to countries with lower duties, forcing Indian manufacturers to relocate to markets like Singapore or the UAE. India supplies 47% of US generic drugs. Analysts warn that while a 10% tariff could shake pharma stocks, a worst case scenario of 35% would be devastating. However, major Indian drug makers believe they can pass on these costs to US buyers. India's auto component exports to the US make up 27% of total exports, putting companies like Sona Comstar and Sarvadhan Motherson at risk. Tata Motors Jaguar Land Rover, with 30% of sales in the US, could also take a hit. India's textile exports to the US face stiff competition from Bangladesh and Vietnam. A tariff hike could price Indian goods out of the market, hitting employment in this labor-intensive sector. While IT companies won't face direct tariffs, a prolonged trade war could slow US economic growth, affecting corporate spending and IT budgets. With global investors watching closely, foreign institutional investments hinge on Trump's final announcement. Despite uncertainties, analysts believe India's strong corporate fundamentals and ongoing trade negotiations may cushion the impact. A depreciating rupee and strategic trade pacts could also provide some relief. The countdown has begun. Will Trump's tariffs trigger a full-blown crisis, or will India find a way to weather the storm? Stay tuned.